In this video, we will show how to factory reset the Polycom Trio. Currently, we have the device unplugged and the Visual Plus disconnected. To start, plug in the network cable to power the device. As soon as the Polycom logo appears on screen, hold the four corners of the touchscreen. After holding for a few seconds, the mute lights will begin flashing. Release the touchscreen to allow the device to begin the factory reset process. This will take about a minute to complete. The factory reset is now complete.